In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manage and publish ideas in Tradingview. Start by setting up your chart exactly the way you want others to see it. Add your drawings, place your indicators, and select the time frame that best represents your idea. Think of this view as your cover image, the snapshot the community will see first. Zoom and pan so key price action and levels are visible. Tidy up any clutter, and make sure your scales are readable. If you are using multiple indicators, consider hiding anything that doesn't support the main point of your analysis. Clarity here makes a big difference in how your idea is understood. When your chart is ready, go to the top right corner of the platform and click the Publish button. It's the upward arrow icon. This opens the publishing panel. From the available choices, select Publish Idea for analysis or educational content. This is the option designed for sharing chart-based insights, whether you are breaking down a setup, explaining a pattern, or teaching a concept. Now fill in the details. Start with a title that quickly tells people what they're looking at. Include the asset and the type of analysis, keeping it short, specific, and easy to scan. In the description, explain your reasoning in plain language. Walk viewers through the technical levels you are focusing on, why they matter, and the strategy or scenario you are considering. Mention the indicators you used and how they informed your view. And make clear which time frame your analysis applies to. The goal is transparency, so readers can follow your logic step by step. Next, choose your visibility. Public shares your idea with the entire community and makes it discoverable. Private generates a link you can share selectively, which is useful if you want feedback from a smaller group before going wide. Then pick a category that best fits, such as analysis or tutorial, and add relevant tags so your idea is easy to find. Use asset tickers, timeframes, and strategy or pattern names that accurately reflect the content. Before you submit, review your chart and text for accuracy and readability. Check the House Rules box to confirm you are following platform guidelines and click Publish Idea. Your chart view becomes the featured image and your explanation gives it context, helping others learn from your approach. That's it. Thanks for watching.